Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west on Elsha Avenue towards Mannings Avenue in the hills of Boscobel, St. Mary Parish. We are at Mannings Avenue intersection and we are turning right, which is north, on Mannings Avenue. On the right is Kemp's Close. Mannings Avenue ends and just ahead is Grange Close. We are turning back towards Elsha Avenue. Again, on the left is Kemp's Close. On the left is Elsha Avenue, where we began, and we are now heading south on Mannings Avenue. On the right is Boscobel Sewage Treatment. Mannings Avenue ends and just ahead is Constitution Drive. Turning right onto Constitution Drive. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.